Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain how to derive Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So before going to derive, first to see the statement means definition. Okay. What is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? That is the square of the length of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. The square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Sum of the squares of the other two sides also we can say. This is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Now, here in the statement what is given? One right angle triangle is given. Let us take one right angle triangle ABC. Right angle is at B. Right angle is at B. Okay. Now, required to prove. What we need to require to prove? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We need to prove it. And construction. Just to take the construction. Here, not this. BD is perpendicular to AC. So let us take point D here. Okay. This is D. Now this is also right angle. Okay. Now draw a small construction. Draw BD which is perpendicular to AC. Which is perpendicular to AC. This is the point C. This is the point C. Vertex C. Okay. Now see the proof. Once look at the figure. After drawing construction, we have triangles here. One ABD and BDC triangle, one ABC full triangle. Okay. Now take small triangle and total triangle. Once see that here triangle ADB is similar to, this is the symbol of similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now these are the similar triangles, so that sides are proportional. Now you can take the sides. What we can take? AD by AB. Okay. AD by AB is equals to AB by AC, full triangle. AB by AC. Okay. Why we are writing this step? Why? Because sides are proportional. In similar triangles, sides are proportional. So that we are writing this step. After this step, do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. AD into AC is equals to AB into AB. AD into AC is equal to AB into AB. Now next step, AD into AC is equals to AB into AB whole square. Yes or no? So let us take equation 1. Let us take equation 1. Now go for one more triangle here now. BDC. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now see, for this triangle take CD by BC. Okay. CD by BC is equal to BC by AC, full triangle. That for small triangle, CD by BC is equal to, for big triangle, ABC triangle, BC by AC, full length. Okay. So this is for small triangle, this is the full triangle. When we ABC full big triangle is there, now further we can take. BDC is the small triangle. Okay. The right side triangle. Now do cross multiplication here. Okay. So CD into AC is equals to BC into BC. Next what you will get? CD into AC is equals to BC into BC square. Let us take equation 2. Let us take equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Add equations 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. Okay. Now if you add 1 and 2, LHS first you can add it. AD into AC plus CD into AC. AD into AC. Just multiplication symbol I am taking as dot. Okay. Plus CD into AC, which is equals to now AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now in these two terms, what is common here? AC is common. Okay. So AC I am taking common, see here and here. So remaining is AD plus here remaining is CD, which is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now look at the figure. Here AD plus CD we have no. AD plus CD. What you will get? If you add these two parts, you will get total side of AC, no? So since AC is equals to, we can write it as AD plus DC, right? Based on this, AD plus CD I am writing as AC. Okay. AD plus CD, just here AC as is, into here instead of this I am writing AC, which is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now AC into AC, AC square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this simply we can write as AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, very simple. Pythagoras theorem. Just to take one right angle triangle. Okay, right angle is at B. Now from B you can draw one perpendicular to AC, that we consider as BD. After that, now triangle, first triangle ABD and full triangle ABC. These two are similar triangles. So whenever the two triangles are similar, sides are proportional. So that you can take AD by AB is equal to here AB by AC. AB by AC. Now do cross multiplication. Let us take equation 1. Next, for the second small triangle, that is BDC is similar to ABC, full triangle. Now based on that, CD by BC is equal to BC by AC. Okay, do cross multiplication, you will get equation 2. Now these two equations add. Here one small thing you can remember. This sum of two sides, these two parts is total length of AC, side AC. So we can write it as AC. AC into AC, AC square. This AB square, BC square as it is we can write. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Bye. Have a nice day.